We're back. And we're back.
I feel like this is so much more comfortable. Like, I'm ready to talk now. I can talk.
I just chipped my tooth trying to put
that
camera on the tripod, but I'm ready to go.
We're ready to go. Should we do introductions now? Because I feel like our intros before were ugly. Okay, intro's over. Let's just explain everything we bought.
Okay. So today we decided to go to an Asian market. So we're just gonna show you what we got.
We'll get right in. We'll just jump
our
right
goodies.
Jump right in.
Okay, so we got all these ramen.
No, I think we should start with the juices first. Like,
whatever. Which one's this one?
That one's lychee. This one's strawberry. I think I'm gonna like this one.
These are called ramenes. Ramenes, yeah. They're Japanese sodas.
Oh, cool.
They're carbonated drinks, and they're made with like real sugar instead of corn fructose. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, really?
Oh, these have a really cool way of opening them. You guys are gonna like, it's cool. Whatever.
I love rice cake. So I got this. We're gonna put these in the ramen noodles. We got like four
different ramen noodles.
Oh yeah, which isn't enough now that we think of it. But whatever.
These, I eat them all the time. These are like Korean ramen noodles. They're spicy. They're so good.
This is a red bean flavored ramen noodle.
Jajang. These are also Korean.
Jajang.
I don't know how to say it. It might not be jajang, but it's Korean. I know that for sure.
This is kimchi. Kimchi. It is a fried noodle dish seasoned with real kimchi, and it is vegan.
We have Japanese style noodle soup curry flavor. So this is like Japanese curry. I wonder how different it's gonna be to like actual curry.
Really, Indian curry? Okay.
These are chips. I can't understand.
We can't even read the name. We have no idea what that is.
Oh yeah, we tried these. And
Nicole doesn't like it.
I don't know.
And I've been dying to try these, and they're so fire. It's just a scallion pancake.
Well, we got this
Pepero.
I was about to.
There's a Pepero. There's apparently a game that goes with it.
Oh yeah, the Pepero challenge. You put the sticks in your mouth and you go as close as you can without kissing. Yeah. And then we have some vegetable Korean dumplings. These seem pretty fire, to be honest. Oh, and we have these seafood, which you guys already saw and we ate.
Yeah, I already said that, Pam.
Oh, really?
Okay, and last but not least, we got mochi ice cream.
I didn't even notice.
Okay, so we got some mochi ice cream. It's probably
green tea.
Okay, guys, so
we're just gonna get cooking, and we're really hungry, so
we'll be back.
No, I'm kidding.
Okay, 3 hours later. Overview of what we got here.
Woo!
Okay.
Hey guys,
okay,
so everything is now done.
Oh wait, I need the
that
trainer.
was actually so
stressful.
Like
we were like.
Okay, so first things first, you guys have to learn how to open the ramenes.
Okay, there.
Wow, that's good. Take this
everything.
You take this little green thing, and then you put it in the middle, and you press down.
This?
Just you do
Nah,
mine.
you have to do mine.
It's not hard.
Oh! Family got it.
Cheers! Cheers! No, wait. There's
Oh my God.
How do you say cheers in? King pie. That's Japanese.
Okay.
King pie. Yeah. Okay.
This one's good.
It's pretty good. Lychee. That's good. I think they're honestly all good.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I really want to eat.
Okay, yeah. For
all of us try different.
Oh,
I'm like having to stand up. It's kind of hard to pick up. Okay.
Wait.
We're gonna try. I don't even know which one this one is, to be honest.
Wait, let me see. Oh, that's the Korean spicy one.
Okay, ready?
Not kimchi.
I'm gonna try this one.
Okay, ready, set.
wait. Oh my good lord.
This
is good.
This is really good. I like it.
This is really like.
I'm just like.
You guys should see how hard I'm trying.
Oh my god.
So
This
bad.
one's so good.
Which one's that? The kimchi. We also boiled some eggs. Give me some salt and pepper. I want to try the kimchi ones.
I don't like this one.
Joke.
You can tell that the flavor is good though.
Let's put kimchi
Guys,
in it,
this
you're
one
right.
is the best.
Okay,
guys. Right. Oh,
It doesn't matter.
Oh, okay, ready?
Ready.
1, 2.
Wait.
Pat, Nicole, we're hungry.
Oh,
Oh
my god, guys, I'm drunk. No, wait. Fire.
It's pretty fire.
Wow.
I love spicy ramen.
I don't think we've looked at the camera once.
Okay, guys. So, okay, we're back. We decided nothing's changed. Obviously, no, I'm kidding. We realized we fucked up.
The angle is bad, but whatever. You just have to go with it. Now we have a mess. The food doesn't look good, but you just have to go. When things go wrong, you just have to keep going.
Let's try these chips.
I feel like that's at a bad angle. Like that makes no sense to me. Okay, I'm like over it. I'm literally over this camera.
There, that's good.
This tripod. I'm over it. That's the angle it's gonna be at.
Oh, your camera's running out of battery.
Oh yeah, that's too bad. Okay, this is what's gonna happen. If it dies, you're gonna see this all cleaned up. We're gonna have finished, and we're gonna be ready with the mochi. That's what's gonna happen. That's just what's
We're gonna be ready with what?
Mochi ice cream.
Okay.
So we're gonna eat the desserts.
Oh wait.
A little
They're
ASMR
green
for
tea.
you. We already
ice
showed
creams.
them.
Shut up.
Mochi. Whatever, guys.
Okay.
Oh, I can't even. I can't even. No.
I don't like it at all.
It's disgusting.
It's disgusting. Like, I need some water. Guys, let's just try these.
Also, they're kind of melted.
Ew.
No, it tastes like grass and disgusting.
Guys, okay, we're gonna have pepper. Yeah.
Wait, we're supposed to bite it? Or like
Yeah, keep
work our
going
way?
to the middle.
That's intense.
Wait, guys. Okay.
Now it's our turn. I'm over it. 0 views, 0 likes, 0 comments. Look at this.
Oh my god.
These YouTubes is shit.
We should call this video trying to figure out what to do with our
Who we
lives.
are.
Trying to figure out who we are. That's a perfect title, actually.
Who are we? Question mark.
Okay, guys. So to wrap this up,
We're sorry. We're
but we hope you
unexperienced.
enjoyed this somewhat.
Stay tuned.
Pushing everything aside.
All the failure aside, this was
All the failure aside.
This was an amazing experience. Everyone
Yeah.
really loved it.
It just brought us close together.
I don't even want to touch Pamela's hands.
Stay tuned for some other
No.
videos that we don't know what's gonna be about.
Oh yeah, we're just doing random stuff, and
Because we're just so random.
We're just keep up if you want to just follow average 19-year-olds in their journey of self-discovery.
Pretty much. That should be
No,
our
honestly, that was
description.
like really good though.
Don't forget to
Like and subscribe. The button's gonna be right here. The subscribe's gonna
It's
be
gonna
right
be
there.
here and 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 here.
And click.
That was
Lame.
bad. I don't like it.
It's over.